Right, good day everyone. So today we are going to perform the task for set up Active Directory domain services. So in this task, an Active Directory domain is a collection of objects within Microsoft Active Directory network. An object can be a single user or a group, or it can be a hardware component, so such as a computer or a printer. So each domain holds a database containing object identity information. Active Directory helps you organize your company's user, computers, and more. Your IT admin uses AD to organize your company's complete hierarchy from which computers belong on which network, to what your profile pictures looks like, or which user have access to storage room. So please take note in this task, use CCS as our domain name. So perform this task along with me with my partner, Miss CJ Devon Banluta. Are you there, CJ? All right, so let's open our Oracle Virtual Manager box. All right, so as you can see here on our screen, we already installed the Windows Server 2016, and let's open this machine. There you go. So the first thing that you are going to do right now is to uh, configure this local server. Right, so click next, and then next. And please check if the IP address. So since we are using 10.10.10.10. And select the Active Directory Domain Services. Right, as you can see here, the remote server administration tools, then click Add Features and click Next. Then click Install. And let's wait until the feature installation would finish. Right, so once the installation finish, click on the Manage, or the exclamation point, and then promote this server domain controller. Then in the deployment configuration, here are the select the deployment operation. First, the add a domain controller to an existing domain, or add a new domain to an existing forest. Then add new forest. Right, so as I mentioned earlier, the domain that we are going to use is the CCS. So let's put CCS here as our domain. Uh, add new forest. Root domain. Right, there you go. So so let's as is for the Windows Server 2016. And the password, type the directory, service mode, password. So machine. Iya mo yan banlot. Right. Next. The location for this disk cannot be created because the authorization percent parent zone cannot be found. So there is an error. A delegation for this server cannot be created because the authority parent zone cannot be found. So what we are going to do right now is to next. Click next. And the net bias is right. There you go. So click. All right. There is a specific specify location of the EDDS database. So can simply click next for this. And then for the review options, you can view the script. So there's the the Windows PowerShell script for the EDDS deployment. Import module. install ADDS forest. So create DNS delegation, database path. Then let's close this and continue for the configuration. So let's wait for the prerequisite checks for the required. So uh, there is a notification appeared on our screen. All prerequisite checks passed successfully. So click install to begin an installation. So since we're done with the prerequisite, so click install to continue. All right, so the computer is being restarted because the Active Directory domain services was installed or removed. So the system or the virtual machine will be restart to take effect the changes we've done earlier. All right, so we successfully this uh, set up the Active Directory domain services, and to check that, so let's open our machine here. Let's input our password earlier. So let's see if the password is correct. So there you go. So all right. So as you can see on our screen right now, so we successfully set up the Active Directory domain services. And we also done with the HCP and the DNS. So we're done with the task 4, which is setting up Active Directory domain services. All right, so that's all, and have a good day, everyone. Thank you.